Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Salsabila Nisa Azizah and I'm 6G. In here video, I want to explain about modes and types of interpreting. So here we go. So the first is modes of interpreting. The first is consecutive interpreting. What is consecutive interpreting? In consecutive interpreting, the interpreter waits until the speaker has finished before rendering speech into another language. And the second, simultaneous interpreting. What is simultaneous interpreting? Simultaneous interpreting is the rendering of one spoken language into another when running conditions are needed at the same time as the English language communication. So the next is whispered interpreting. Whispered interpreting is essence is form of simultaneous interpretation. The interpreter whispers the translation into the ear of one or two meeting participants rather than working from a soundproof booth via earphone. So the last mode is psych interpreter. Psych interpreting is a cross-modal activity and a hybrid of translation and interpreting. So types of interpreting have 9 types. So this is the explanation. The first is conference interpreting. Conference interpreting used at a meeting or conference where the participants speak different language. So the speaker, so the interpreter use one general language. That means is English. So the next is escort interpreting. Escort interpreting is a type of consecutive interpreting which is usually used for a small informal setting. So the next is bilateral interpreting. In bilateral interpreting, the interpreter translates two parties or more in two languages. So the next is telephone interpreting. Telephone interpreting is actually a bilateral interpreting which is use telephone as the media. So next is television interpreting. Television interpreting is a type of simultaneous interpreting that use equipment. So the next is video conference interpreting. As a standard, video conference interpreting make use of internet technology like Zoom meeting or Gmeet, I mean. So the next is community interpreting. Community interpreting takes place in community-based setting situation. So the next is court interpreting. Court interpreter usually works with lawyer, witness, or defendants. So the last is medical interpreting. Medical interpreters must have the backgrounds of professional interpreter and master the medical term. So that's all about modes and types in interpreting. I hope all of you understand, and I'm sorry if I have mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.